Oga, on my arm, nga your warm blood from your skull. Now, okay, kwesịrị ịdị harmless. Okay, kwesịrị ịdị harmless. Agwọ emere ife o ji bụrụ agwọ. Ụmụazị ewelu the great agwọ. Wee kee nkụ. Okay, kwesịrị ịdị harmless. And I blame Christianity for the proliferation of ikengales, alusiless, harmless men. Ikenga adiro awanya na nkụ. Welu the harmless agwọ. Wee kee dị nkụ. And I watered the relation. Remember the guy who told me recently, that a Canada-based rogue finessed him of 5M, where I tell him, making assure that guy, say, before the year runs out, he'll be returned to Nigeria as a corpse. Well, this rogue replied him for the first time in, I don't know how long, replied him, pleading for time. And the amazing thing is, Oga is considering giving him the time. You know what I'm saying? Person disrespect you to your maru, tell you say no way fear, man. You know what I'm saying? And you want still give and time, you still dey lenient so. Oga, you spit on me. You spit on the divine feminine who chose me because she believes I can guard her children, her clan, from your type. You spit on the people who trust my protection. Oga, on my arm, your warm blood from your skull. Now, I go drink your warm blood from your skull on arm, but now in call, it is 5M that needs to be retrieved, but nothing like that, yeah. Onye kai see me fan. That guy, good name on and say send the earlier the video. Now him now go run, go send that money in the mud. And him go still bring money where they go use collect Mmuo from Alusi, because Alusi don't know about them. Go stream Holy as Meals. Moke kwesịrị the harmless. Gobi ikengagi every day. Go ikengagi. Ikengagi deal. Gobi ikengagi. Ono katakwe tame. I no kwensu. Aki ikengaji.